Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best MP3 players you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Hifi Walker H2 is a premium portable audio player designed for those who prioritize sound quality and ease of use. It offers high-resolution audio playback, supporting various formats, ensuring users experience lossless, detailed sound. The device's Texas Instruments Burr Brown PCM5102 DAC enhances sound fidelity with a high signal-to-noise ratio, delivering clear, powerful audio. This feature alone makes it highly appealing to audiophiles seeking quality in a compact design. Equipped with Bluetooth 4.2, the media player supports two-way audio transmission, allowing users to connect it to Bluetooth headphones or speakers or use it as a Bluetooth receiver for streaming music from other devices. Qualcomm aptX technology ensures high-definition audio streaming without compromising quality. Storage is also well addressed. The device includes a 64GB microSD card and supports expansion up to 256GB, accommodating thousands of songs for music enthusiasts. In terms of usability, the media player has a 2-inch HD display with intuitive ALPS scroll controls, making it easy to navigate. It also offers both headphone and line-out ports, adding versatility for various audio setups. With up to 10 hours of battery life, the Hifi Walker H2 ensures users enjoy uninterrupted playback. Its zinc alloy chassis ensures durability while remaining lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go listening. Additional features, such as USB DAC functionality, gapless playback, and built-in FM radio, make it a comprehensive choice for music lovers seeking an all-in-one portable audio solution. The FiiO M11S is a high-resolution digital music player designed to offer a premium portable audio experience for audiophiles and music enthusiasts. Equipped with advanced audio components and flexible connectivity options, it is a powerful device that combines high-fidelity sound with user-friendly functionality. The media player features a 5-inch 720p touchscreen, providing clear visuals for album art and navigation, and runs on an Android-based OS, allowing easy access to streaming services like Spotify, Tidal, and Apple Music through the FiiO Music app or third-party apps. At the core of the FiiO M11S's impressive audio performance are dual ES9038Q2M DAC chips, which deliver detailed sound with low distortion and a balanced output. Supporting high-resolution playback and DSD256, it's ideal for a wide range of high-resolution formats. The device has 32GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD, providing ample space for extensive music libraries. The media player offers both balanced and unbalanced headphone outputs, catering to diverse audio setups. Bluetooth 5 enables high-quality wireless audio, while USB Type-C and Wi-Fi connectivity expand its versatility. A 5,300 mAh battery ensures up to 14 hours of continuous playback. With a durable aluminum frame and glass back, the device is both sleek and rugged. Its Android interface, customizable digital filters, and dedicated FiiO Music app provide a tailored and intuitive user experience. Overall, the FiiO M11S is a standout choice for those seeking high-quality audio, expansive format support, and a seamless mix of online and offline playback. The Mighty 3 is a compact and innovative device designed for music lovers who prefer an alternative to smartphones for streaming Spotify and Amazon Music. This screen-free phone-independent player is ideal for activities like working out, commuting, or entertaining children, providing an immersive audio experience without the distractions of a phone or screen. Equipped with 8GB of internal storage, the Mighty 3 can hold over 1,000 songs, allowing users to download and store playlists and podcasts directly from Spotify and Amazon Music. One of its standout features is offline playback, which lets users enjoy their playlists anytime, even without an internet connection. For added convenience, the device syncs wirelessly with a mobile app, using Wi-Fi for downloads, after which the player operates fully offline. The media player is designed with Bluetooth compatibility for wireless listening with headphones or speakers, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio. The IPX4 rating provides resistance against sweat, light rain, and splashes, making it durable for outdoor and active use. Compact and lightweight, it offers a straightforward interface and voice control, making it easy to navigate playlists hands-free. With a battery life of over 8 hours, the device can power long workouts, daily commutes, or bedtime stories. Extra features include automatic playlist updates, a customizable equalizer, and a sleep timer. Available in multiple colors, the Mighty 3 is perfect for those seeking a focused, distraction-free music experience that doesn't rely on a smartphone. The SanDisk Clip Plus is a compact and highly functional device designed for music enthusiasts, especially those who enjoy listening during workouts. This small durable player offers a blend of convenience and performance tailored for an active lifestyle. With a storage capacity of 32 GB, the Clip Plus can hold approximately 8,000 songs, depending on file size, giving users ample space for their favorite playlists. It features a 1.44-inch TFT LCD screen that provides easy navigation, allowing users to browse through menus and select tracks effortlessly. The battery life extends up to 20 hours with wired headphones and around 7 hours with Bluetooth, offering long-lasting playback for extended use. One of the standout features is its Bluetooth connectivity, which enables wireless pairing with headphones or speakers, enhancing its portability. The IPX5 water-resistant design makes it resilient to rain and sweat, ideal for various outdoor conditions. It also includes a built-in FM radio, which functions when wired earphones are connected. This compact device is further enhanced by a clip-on design that allows users to attach it securely to clothing or gear. Supporting a broad range of high-resolution audio formats, the media player offers versatility in playback options. Users appreciate its easy-to-navigate interface with accessible buttons. Overall, the SanDisk Clip Plus is an excellent choice for active individuals seeking a robust portable music player with reliable performance and user-friendly features. The Sony Walkman NW-WM1AM2 is a high-resolution digital music player, blending retro-inspired design with cutting-edge audio technology, perfect for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. This compact mid-range media player is built to provide a detailed immersive audio experience, with a sleek design and robust build that make it easy to carry and durable for daily use. Running on Android 12, the device offers a familiar interface and access to numerous streaming apps, enhancing its versatility for modern listeners. Supporting a broad range of high-resolution audio formats, the media player delivers clarity across frequencies, powered by the S-Master HX digital amplifier to reduce distortion. Its 32 GB of internal storage, expandable with a microSD card, lets users carry extensive music libraries. The 3.6-inch TFT LCD screen with 1280 by 720 resolution provides clear visuals for album artwork and easy navigation through menus. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5, supporting high-quality codecs for smooth wireless streaming, and dual-band Wi-Fi, enabling access to streaming services like Spotify and Tidal via the Google Play Store. Battery life impresses with up to 36 hours for standard MP3 playback and 14 hours for high-resolution DSD files, perfect for extended listening. With features like 360 reality audio, a 10-band equalizer, DSE Ultimate for upscaling, and a vinyl processor for warmer tones, the device delivers a personalized and high-quality listening experience. Its lightweight design with textured grip and physical navigation buttons add to its portability, making the Sony NW-WM1AM2 an excellent choice for those who seek top-notch audio in a portable user-friendly device.